Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best small curtain tension rod is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools for any home decorator or renter looking to add a touch of style and functionality to small spaces without causing any damage, offering a simple yet effective solution for hanging lightweight curtains, sheer fabrics, or even small tapestries in windows, doorways, or closets, thereby enhancing privacy and aesthetics with minimal effort and maximum convenience. Number 5. Amazon Basics Easy Install Spring Tension Curtain Rod. Introducing the Amazon Basics Spring Tension Curtain Rod. It's designed for quick and easy installation without any drilling, perfect for showers, windows, or closets. Crafted from durable, lightweight metal, this rod features a classic nickel finish that complements any decor. It's built to last and look great. Need a specific size? Simply twist the rod to adjust its length anywhere from 24 to 36 inches. It provides a secure and reliable fit for your needs. The classic finials with ABS end caps ensure excellent traction and a sturdy hold. You get a reliable installation without damaging your walls. Designed to accommodate various curtain fabrics, it has a weight capacity of up to 7 pounds. This versatile rod is ready for your decorative or functional needs. What we like? This one offers a classic nickel finish that looks great in any bathroom. It has a decent weight capacity for most shower curtains. If you're looking for a reliable, no-fuss option with a traditional aesthetic, this is a solid choice. What people say. The rod is sturdy, easy to adjust, and strong enough to hold a full garland without bowing or slipping. Installation took maybe a minute. Twist, press, and it locked in securely. I've opened and closed the door multiple times and the rod hasn't budged at all. The matte black finish also blends in nicely and doesn't look cheap up close. Number 4. Ausemku Never Rust Shower Curtain Rod. Tired of rusty shower rods? Our new non-corrosion technology ensures it never rusts, no matter the environment. It's built with heavy-duty steel for lasting durability and can hold up to 30 pounds without falling. Installing this adjustable rod is a breeze. It extends from 26 to 76 inches and can be set up in minutes without any drilling, screws, or tools. Simply expand or contract it to fit your space perfectly. No matter the surface, this rod will work. It adheres securely to smooth or rough surfaces like wallpaper, painted walls, tiles, and wood. The large rubber pads protect your walls from scratches and leave no marks when removed. This rod isn't just for the bathroom. Use it in your bedroom for blackout curtains, in the kitchen, or even on your balcony. It's perfect for hanging privacy curtains in doorways too. We stand by our product's quality. If you encounter any issues or damage during shipping, please reach out to our customer service. We're here to provide a replacement or refund to ensure your satisfaction. What we like? This rod boasts a never-rust stainless steel construction and an impressive 30-pound weight capacity, making it incredibly durable. If you need a rod that can handle heavier curtains or are concerned about rust in humid environments, this is the one for you. What people say. The sturdy metal construction feels durable and well-made, providing excellent support for my shower curtains. The finish is sleek and resistant to rust, maintaining its appearance even in a humid bathroom environment. No tools are required, just twist and adjust to the desired length. The non-slip rubber ends ensure a secure fit, preventing any slipping or sagging over time. The rod is highly adjustable, fitting a wide range of shower sizes. I've used it in different bathrooms with varying dimensions, and it always provides a snug and secure fit. Number 3. Adjustable Curtain Rod 2-Pack. Introducing our adjustable curtain rods, perfect for any window or doorway. These versatile rods offer a simple and effective solution for hanging various types of curtains. Crafted from premium carbon steel, these rods are built to last. The sturdy construction ensures they can withstand daily use without compromising on quality. Featuring a firm, non-slip design with a baked black paint finish, these rods provide exceptional grip. You can trust them to stay securely in place, supporting twice the weight of ordinary rods. These rods are incredibly versatile, serving multiple purposes. Use them for hanging curtains, shower curtains, or even as wardrobe bars and tension rods for RVs and refrigerators. Installation is a breeze with their spring-loaded tension mechanism. They are designed to be expandable, fitting a range of sizes from 28 to 43 inches. We are committed to providing excellent service. If you have any questions about our rods, our support team is available 24/7 to assist you. What we like? Get 2 rods for the price of 1 with this option, featuring a durable baked black paint finish. If you need multiple rods for different areas of your home or want a strong, non-slip hold without damaging walls, this 2-pack is an excellent value. What people say? Tool-free installation with reliable spring tension. Adjustable length fits a variety of smaller spaces. Fantastic design. I installed curtains and rods on 6 windows in less than half an hour. Number 2. 2 PCS spring tension curtain rod 28 to 43 inches adjustable. Crafted from superior carbon steel, these rods are designed for exceptional sturdiness and durability, ensuring they stand the test of time. Enjoy a hassle-free setup with our adjustable spring tension design. It extends from 28 to 43 inches, offering a secure, no-drill fit that won't rust or corrode. Featuring a firm, non-slip grip with rough metal and plastic ends, these rods provide a reliable hold. The baked black paint surface ensures it can handle significant weight without slipping or falling. These rods are incredibly versatile, perfect for hanging curtains, shower curtains, or even as closet bars. They can be used in kitchens, bathrooms, windows, and RVs. We are committed to providing excellent service. If you have any questions, our support team is available 24/7 to assist you with your purchase. What we like? Another great 2-pack option. This rod is designed to never collapse and is easy to clean. If you prioritize long-term stability and low maintenance for your curtain rods, especially in high-moisture areas like kitchens and bathrooms, this is a fantastic pick. What people say? These things work fantastic for hanging curtains in my home. I even use them for doorway curtains. They are sturdy and can take the weight. Easy to adjust. Hold weight. Don't slip. Excellent rod, versatile, and holds the curtain well because of screw torque that can be applied rather than just relying on spring as most other rods. Number 1. AIZESI 2 PCS adjustable spring tension rods. Introducing our adjustable spring tension rods. Achieve a secure fit without any drilling, making installation a breeze for any space. Crafted from high-quality carbon steel with a beautiful white finish, these rods are built to last. Their sturdy construction ensures reliability and a touch of elegance. Designed with PVC anti-skid pads on both ends, these rods offer superior grip. You can trust them to stay firmly in place without slipping or falling. Perfect for various areas, these rods are ideal for windows, doorways, and even temporary air conditioner setups. Enjoy their flexibility in any room. Easily extendable from 26 to 39 inches, with an optimal range of 28 to 36 inches. Simply twist to adjust to your desired length for a perfect fit. Installation is as simple as rotating. These rods are designed for your convenience, offering a hassle-free solution for hanging curtains and more. What we like? This option comes in a clean white finish with enhanced PVC anti-skid ends for superior grip. If you prefer a brighter aesthetic and want the security of knowing you're using the rod within its optimal range for maximum stability, this is a great choice. What people say? Easy install and held curtains tightly in window frame. Worked great for my project. I put up curtains in my laundry room and it was so easy to hang them with this. Easy to install, great color, adjustable. Installation was very simple, no tools needed. I just adjusted the length and twisted to secure them in place. They're holding lightweight curtains securely without slipping, and the black finish looks clean and blends in nicely. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.